Welcome to Crowded Lab. Today I have on review Sliced Knowledge AI-powered training content generation tool, and I must say that for last 6 months it is the most visually appealing web application that I saw. I'm just amazed by the quality of their marketing materials. We are looking at the moment at their main website, and you may expect the same visual appeal and quality for your generated courses. And right away, let's jump in to see some examples, what kind of materials you can create. Here we can see an example of some course. We can scroll, we can have quizzes, we can scroll even more. Let's check next example. Let's say you would like to get a code of conduct for your company. Here it is. Another example. Here is another example. And the last one. Alright, here we are in the main dashboard, and let's actually proceed with demo of Sliced Knowledge. And again, here you can see that this software is very visually appealing. Just look at this button, isn't it nice? So we can create different kind of content by clicking this button in the bottom left corner, or we can just type here our prompt and we can create one-pager or scrolling unit. So let's start with scrolling one. Imagine you would like to create a recipe book which will contain 7 healthy breakfast options, and let's ask to include avocado toast for one of the days. And let's create it. And here we are waiting for the tool. We can see that outline was being generated. Now we have paragraphs in progress. All right, here we are. As you just saw, I only provided the base prompt, like give me a recipe book, 7 healthy breakfast options. Honestly, I'm amazed by the quality of the background image. This is great looking image. Let's take a look at the chapters. Okay, I can see we have 5 recipes, but it's not a problem. I think we can add more. So let's start. Okay, first of all, oatmeal and berries. Okay, nice to have. So we are given a general guidance, how to prepare that. We are given some Q&A, some interesting facts, and even some funny quotes. All right, this is the first day. Of course, we can edit, add paragraphs, some images. We can even add video, but let's move to the day 2. Okay, we can see the example of the video. Some fried meat with vegetables. Looks like it is not exactly for this yogurt, but not a problem. We can always replace it with another video or just delete it. So let's remove it. Again, we've got some questions, interesting facts. Let's try add some elements. Here is the menu, and I see it is a very powerful tool. So we can have different kind of media. Let's add an image. And for the image option, we can upload our own. We can even record the screen, upload images from stock libraries, Pexels, Splash, Giphy, or ask to create an image using Slice AI. Let's find something on Pexels. Let's find some granola and yogurt. Let's use this one in high resolution. That is nice. And the same way, you can add a video if you like. All right, before we move to the next chapter, let's check other options. You can download this piece of content as SCORM format. And SCORM is actually a shareable content object reference model. It is a e-learning software standard. So you will be able to use your materials in other software or LMS. Also, you will be able to download it as PDF. You can choose a template. I can see we have few options. Let's change it to Lotus. nice look and feel. All right, so let's approve the content. So to approve, we need to go to each section and mark it as approved. So let's do it for the rest of the sections. Here it is, the approval button. Okay, so I have changed it to 5 healthy breakfast options. Let's go to viewing. And here it is, our recipe book. We can have different previews for desktop, for tablet, for mobile, and everywhere it looks beautiful. So we are getting responsive design for your learning content. And actually, let's go. This is the first option. You have nice transitions, very high quality images. Let's go to the next day. Scrolling down to our avocado toast. I quickly approved the content, and of course, before doing that, you will need to go and read through all of the generated text, because as any AI generated content, you will need to edit that. For example, here I can see these are questions, not instructions. And actually, it could be nice to add responses to that. And there is such possibility to use AI within SliceIt to generate your text. So moving next to new chapter. Again, very nice transitions. And this is the example how the video is being integrated. Of course, you can choose the video that best suits your particular case. So moving to the last chapter. Again, very nice transitions and great quality content. All right, moving next. You may get a chance to get Slice Knowledge as a lifetime deal on AppSumo, and you will have access to all of the features, including built-in AI to generate your content, access to different widgets and different content layouts, and as well, you will be able to use more than 200 application connections and be able to integrate your learning content with learning management systems like Blossom or Moodle and others. Again, you get access to all of the features, and this deal comes in 2 license tiers. The first one looks pretty limited, and I believe if you are serious about your content generation, you will need to go with license tier number 2 and have access to all of the listed features. So you will be able to host 100 courses on Slice platform. So moving to the conclusion, what is my opinion about Slice Knowledge platform? First of all, let's start with the downside. And I believe someone may find as a downside AI-generated text, because I believe they're using ChatGPT behind the scenes or similar language model. So you will need to do your own editing of the generated text. So please don't expect that you will just click one button and will get all of your text generated correctly from the first run. And I believe, depending on your learning topic, AI-generated text will be better or worse for your particular case. So you will need to do some editing. Now, moving to the strongest part of Slice Knowledge platform, and I believe it is visual representation of your courses. It will help you to pick up very good-looking stock images and stock videos, so you will spend less time looking for those. Of course, you will be able to replace any visuals. For example, there is built-in search for images and videos through stock websites, and you're getting beautiful templates with great transitions between chapters. So overall, courses generated here on Slice Knowledge, I believe will look very nice. So to get Slice Knowledge, please check my affiliate link in the description. Please also give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.